Hi, I'm Paul from VeloWorks and it's competition time. Join us to win a set of DT Swiss hand-built wheels for your road bike. So DT Swiss have brought out a selection of Aero Alloy wheels and rims, and to celebrate that we're giving away a free set of hand-built wheels with the A510 rim. So this is a genuine competition. First place prize will be a hand-built set of wheels, and I'll take you through the specifications in a second. Second and third place will be a little gift pack from Rider, so it includes lots of accessories for wheels and some multi-tools. So yeah, so the specification of the wheel set that you can win in this competition. Rim-wise, we're using the new DT Swiss A510 Aero rim, 30mm deep with a 20mm inner rim width. We're going to pair these with a set of our entry-level Shimano RS470 hubs, which is like a Tiagra GRX level, GRX 600 level hub, really nice and robust. We're going 32 on the back, 20 on the front. We're using DT Swiss competition spokes. The great thing about these wheels is they use hidden alloy nipples, so the nipples will be nice and hidden inside the rim, and it make it really light as their alloy. And the wheel set will be finished off with tubeless rim tape. And don't panic. If you think I'm not ready to build this DT Swiss wheel, you're wrong. I've got my top on and I've got my hat on. I'm ready to go. It's really exciting that DT Swiss have brought out a really good range of aluminium aero wheels. They've always done carbon aero wheels, but now they've brought out a really nice range of their own wheels. So the A1800 and the AR1600, which are DT Swiss stock wheels that are still hand built, but they come all made. And then they've brought out this dedicated aluminium aero rim, the A510, at a lovely price point. All of the aluminium aero wheels from DT Swiss are available on our website with loads of combinations starting at a reasonable price for the A510 rim. So check out our website, have a look at what we can offer. So these are the wheels that I'm building at the moment for the competition. I'm really enjoying building them with DT Swiss's hidden nipples. It's a different process, different tools. It's always quite nice to do something a little bit different. On this rim wheel set, we're using DT Swiss competition spokes. We are going to be bringing options for aero spokes as well. The reason we use DT Swiss competition spokes is they're super robust. You can have a larger spoke count, which a lot of our customers do like. I know there's a trend to go towards less spoke count, which we do offer, and we will with this rim in the next month or so when we get them on the website. But we love these spokes, and they offer a really good consistent build, and they're a good option when paired with Shimano hubs. So this is our entry-level wheel set, and yeah, it's really nice. So really looking forward to starting the competition and seeing who's going to win this lovely set of aero wheels. If you're not lucky enough to win it because you've missed the competition, all of these wheels are available on our website. So it wouldn't be a competition without a second and third place. So we've got these nice gift packs from Rider. So they're all a bit wheel themed. We've got a chain lubricant applicator. I guess the chain attaches to the wheel. A multi-tool, Grove Tool Pro. Slug system, so for repairing tyres. And a storage system for your slug repair kit and a CO2 canister. So that's second place. For third place, the Grove Tool Pro and the chain lubricator. So it's well worth entering and seeing how you get on. So here we are, the lovely finished product. Let's give it a spin. They spun really nice on the stand. Ooh.
tasty. I mean, that's entry-level Shimano hub, and it's, yeah, super nice, super nice. So both of them are ready. There's one there, two there. As mentioned, they're built with DT Swiss's hidden nipples, so you can't see the nipples, which is really nice. Finished off with tubeless, DT Swiss tubeless rim tape. Really good, solid set of wheels. We're super excited to give them away. There's benefits for us doing the competition because it's a promotional video as well, but we're really happy for someone to receive these and the second and third place. So please do enter. I'll take you now through how you enter the competition. Here are 3 easy steps to follow to enter the competition. So step 1, visit our Instagram page, the link is below, and follow us. Step 2 is to like the post, the relevant post about these wheels, which will be going out today. And step 3 is to tag someone you feel might be interested in winning these wheels. For a bonus entry, so this means you get your name twice in the hat, so therefore increasing your chance of winning, you need to share the post on your Instagram and tag us in that share. So the full terms and conditions are on our Instagram page on the post for this wheel set. We are sorry, this is for UK residents only. So England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. We don't post outside the UK. It's a genuine competition. We run it super fairly and we'll be doing a post about when we select someone from the hat. So yeah, please enter and get your name to win this lovely set of wheels. This is a really good competition.